Hi everyone, welcome back to this week's computing lesson. For those of you who remember, we created scenes a week before schools closed, and then the week that school actually closed, we then put together our characters and our scenes, and we made things move, and we probably made our scenes change as well. So in today's lesson, I was hoping you guys could maybe recap, refresh my memory on how to do that. So we're going into computing and to code, and then we're going to scroll down to free code jump, and we're going to create another scene. Today, I'm going to show you, just refresh your memory on how to design a background, add in characters, make them move, etc. And then I'll show you how you can actually make them stop when they're moving. Okay, right, so as you know, we have to click on design. If we want a background, I can't exactly remember where to go for my background. Do you remember? The computer screen, well done. So I'll click on the computer screen to choose a background, and then on the question mark. Today, I think I might just go with this space background, which looks quite nice, and there's a little planet at the top for me. Something that's missing in my background might be an alien or a rocket maybe. So let's have a look if we can find rockets on our list. We should be able to. There we go, rockets. I might just choose this alien. And then if I'd like to make it a bit smaller, remember we find scale. As you can see, this scale's got a few numbers next to it, and it says how big the image is. If I click on the 100, I should get some arrows popping up and down, and I can make my alien bigger or smaller. It's entirely up to you. I want my alien to be quite small, so I'll go with 70. That looks good. And you can always click on him and place him wherever you like. So my alien off there. I think I'll get one more character. I might just choose a rocket this time. You can see it opens up on Pirates, so I'll just scroll back up, look for rockets, and choose this one. There we go. Rockets are usually nice and big. I might just make my alien a bit smaller then, because I'd like my rocket to stand out a lot more than my alien. Once you're happy, you can add anything to your scene, especially because you'll be creating any scene. You'll be recreating a different scene today compared to your last one. So now I want my rocket to move, and I'd also like my alien to move. So when I click on my background, I want my alien, which is my sprite one, to move towards my planet. So I'll say go to the right. Maybe he can speak as well. So in the same little code window, I'll say my alien can speak. Shall he say hi? And he can maybe do that for 10 seconds. If I would like to check that, I click on the play button, which is normally my preview. And now, obviously nothing's happening because I didn't click yet. Because in my code window, it says when I click my background, my alien will start moving. So I can click anywhere on my background, and immediately he moves and he's speaking. Right, I'm happy with that. I'll click stop because as you can see, my rocket over here it's not going anywhere, so I need to get my rocket moving too. So when I click on my rocket, I would like my rocket to go up. Maybe our rockets could even make a sound. So if I choose my rocket, oops, my rocket is there. I can just bring down sound underneath my rocket. What kind of sound would I like? There's so many different sounds. Let's go with, so I don't even know what sound I chose. I didn't try it. I'm not sure if you heard, but I chose the twinkle sound. It's under other sounds. So you click on it and it's there, and maybe it can do that 10 times while my rocket's going up. If you don't hear this on my video, that's fine. You can definitely try it out on your own, and it definitely works. Okay, so I'll click on my background. My alien's moving, and I'm going to click on my rocket. It's moving and making sound. Perfect, and after it does 10 of it, it stops. So you can see they're crossing over each other, and I don't really want that. So what do I do to avoid my rocket crashing into my alien spaceship? I could make them stop. Okay, could definitely do that. I could make one of them stop, or I could make both of them stop. So I'm going to use this key called when clicked. Sorry, not when clicked, when key. That means if I push a certain key on my keyboard, it's going to stop. Because stop starts with an S, I'll go for S. And when I press S, I want my sprite to stop, and I'll select stop over there. Maybe I would want my rocket to continue, so let's see how that goes. Go and go. And when they come back onto the screen before they collide, I'll press S. My alien stopped so that my rocket could go past, which is amazing. So maybe I would make both my rocket and my alien stop at the same time before they collide. Let's see. And they're both coming back onto the screen soon. Before they collide, I press S and they stop. Okay, that is what I'd like you to do today. So once you're happy with what you have, you're going to click on these 3 lines here. You're going to say save. You can save it under my work, or you can save it in your class folder. And I'm going to call this Stop Moving with my name. And you can do the same. You can call it Stop Moving with your name, because that's what we're trying to do today. We're trying to get our characters to stop moving. I'm going to do one more as an example. I'm going into design, and I'm going to choose a new background. Once it opens, and I might just choose cars moving. So there I have the road. So if I have that image, I need cars. So I'm going to click on my image to change this pirate into a vehicle. There's a list here, vehicles. You can choose any one you like. I'll choose the red vehicle first. And then I'm not entirely sure why my background's not showing. Maybe it will show later once I exit. Let's see what it looks like. Perfect. I just need to move my card down then. Okay, let's go back into design mode. Move my card down. And I'll get another car. There we go. I'll just change the pirate into another car. Oh, very cool. Maybe the pink one. Cool. I'm going to make sure they're both next to each other so they can move at the same time. If you're happy with their size, absolutely perfect. You can make it smaller or bigger, and then you can exit design. Now, I'm going to make my cars move. When I click my background, sprite 2, move up, and so will sprite 1. Whoops, should be in the same code window. They'll move up at the same time. And let's see if we can add a sound. Do you think we could get vehicle sounds in here? Maybe a horn? They're hooting at each other? They could be... Let's see if we have any other sounds. Not really an alarming sound. I'll make a swoosh sound because maybe that's how fast the cars are going. They could do that twice. And let's try it. Maybe just one swooshing sound will be good because that means they are off. Perfect. But now my cars are moving. If I click my background, and they're just continuously moving. I would like my cars to stop when I click on something, or when I swipe somewhere, or when I use a different key. I could again use the when key button, or I could use the when click button. Maybe when I click on my sprite 1, just my red car will stop. And when I click on my pink car will also stop. Let's see if it works. So click on my background to get them both moving. And I can click my red car, it will stop, and click my pink car, it will stop. Okay, so your task today is to create a new scene. Absolutely anything, go wild. Use your imagination, enjoy yourself. You can use as many characters as you like. You can make them make different sounds. They can speak, they can move in any direction you like. But you need to make your characters stop after you've clicked the background or made them move. I hope you have fun doing this, and I can't wait to see your work later on Seesaw. Bye!